Let's get one thing straight. You are tired. You're tired of scrolling through 20-somethings dancing in their monochromatic kitchens, trying to convince you that their entire personality is gut health or aesthetic organization. You want to show up online. You want to build a business, share your hobby, or maybe just vent. But the thought of picking a niche or creating a social media persona makes you want to hide under a flannel shirt and listen to The Cure. I get it. It feels fake. And if there's one thing our generation smells a mile away, it's a poser. I'm the Gen X AI prompt queen. We survived latchkey afternoons, dangerous playground equipment, and dial-up internet screaming in our ears. We can certainly handle a little artificial intelligence. Today, we aren't dancing. We're using AI to cut through the BS and find an online persona that doesn't make you cringe when you look in the mirror. We're talking YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and yes, even TikTok, if your knees are up for it. Here is how to stop overthinking and find your lane, using 3 brutally honest AI prompts. The biggest mistake people make is looking outward for a persona. Oh, I should act like Gary Vee, or I should act like Martha Stewart. No, stop it. You need to figure out who you are when you've had 2 glasses of wine and are ranting to your best friend. That's your actual persona. It's the intersection of what you're good at and what you actually tolerate talking about. We're going to use ChatGPT to strip away your vanity. Here is the first prompt. Notice I told it to be brutally honest. AI is polite by default. You have to tell it to take the gloves off. Take the output it gives you. If it stings a little, you know it's accurate. That sting? That's your hook. Okay, so you know how you talk. Now, what are you talking about? The gurus say niche down until it hurts. I say, find the thing you won't hate doing in 6 months. We aren't chasing passion here. We're chasing sustainability. We are the generation of slackers who accidentally changed the world. Let's lean into that efficient laziness. We're going to ask AI to combine your weirdest skills into something unique so you don't have to compete with everyone else. Finally, who are you talking to? If your answer is everybody, I'm turning this camera off right now. You don't want to talk to everybody. You want to talk to the people who get your references and aren't easily offended. Stop chasing viral fame with teenagers who think the 90s were vintage. Let's find the people you'd actually want to have a beer with. This prompt stops you from creating generic content. When you know exactly who you're talking to, what keeps them up at night, and what they're cynical about, your persona suddenly makes sense. Listen to me. The internet is full of noise. The only way to cut through it isn't by being louder or younger, it's by being real. Take these prompts, dump your messy thoughts into them, and see what comes back. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to be yours. If you are still stuck, or if the AI gave you garbage, drop your chaotic thoughts in the comments below. I will personally help you craft a better prompt to fix it. Whatever you do, don't just consume this and keep scrolling. Do the work. Like and subscribe if you found this helpful, or don't, I'm not your mom. But hit the bell if you don't want to miss the next one. Class dismissed. Go do something analog.